here's how to reset the trip A and trip B on a Honda Crosstour. All we're doing is turning the key to on, and we go to this trip button right here. This is the important thing that you need to have. And you'll just click it all the way until you reach trip A, and you'll hold it down, reset, and then you'll click it, go to trip B, same thing, you're gonna hold it down and reset. It's all done. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.